My name is Anita Khullar and I had a frozen shoulder. I had very bad experience of even allopathic, homeopathic and all. I was not being cured. So then I came to know about Dr. Arpita and I was very happy to be in contact with her, and the amount she really worked and the way she did it, it was very good. And she didn't let me have the pain also. And though I was in a real bad shape, literally my hand was not lifting up too much, 3/4 से भी कम half lift होता था, but now it's quite successful. And the name of this is bio physiotherapy, and they have done a good job, at least I can say that. Plus I'm very satisfied, and whatever it is, she used to tell me exercises, and whatever is left, I've been told to do some exercises by which everything will be all right. I'm quite satisfied on the whole. And the treatment was for 15 days, though I was set 20 days, but she really did a good job in 15 days, so I'm very satisfied, I must say. The time, she never saw to my time was the basic thing which I was very, very impressed. Normally a doctor takes by time of watch, they see 1 hour. She doesn't have a watch in her room, and she's never seen the watch. It used to take 1.5 to 2 hours every day. And I can't express, no words to express, I think, for the work she has done for me.
Anything about her behavior?
Very nice, very loving and affectionate, and she doesn't make you feel as if you are not well or something. अपनापन होता है इसके अंदर, एक अपनापन है इधर.
So you wish her a good success?
Yes, of course. I wish her all the success in her life, and I think we'll be more like friends or a daughter or a sister, whatever she takes it.
Sir को introduce do.
Yes, I am Anand Khullar. My association with the pharma industry is like 32 years, working for MNC in India. And I had a little bit background of Ayurveda, since my grandfather was Raj Vaid of Alwar Gharana, and also have a little bit background of yoga. Yoga I do for the last 35 to 40 years. But this science, this device which they have shown us are quite logical and scientific. And I must say, like in earlier days, we used to go to the Vaid, and Vaid will read your numbers and he will tell you the disease you are having. So this, how they have been devised, the German people have devised this program, that they have invented a Vaid in a small device where they can identify what kind of, where the fault lies, where the problem lies, where the pain lies in your body. I must say this is going to be a good revolution for the medical fraternity. And the psychological analysis which they have done in my case were very truthful and very clear. Maybe some of the points I was not aware that I was having it, but then the machine told me that, look, you have this problem also. And physical also determination was very correct. I must say very good this science which has been developed, and I wish them a good success.
I wanted to make one thing very clear, that normally the doctors told me to go for an MRI for my frozen shoulder. And first of all, the psychological thing goes for an MRI, and then you are, in this case, MRI gives you only one part. Whereas in this science, in this procedure, the whole thing comes out, that where all other parts are also affected with it, which all nerves are affected. Then secondly, because of this treatment, first of all, I couldn't sit for more than 2 seconds cross-legged. But after this, I could sit for 5 minutes cross-legged. I was very, very impressed by this. This was something that really was very... I really wanted to share this because I was impressed with this. First in my puja, I couldn't sit for more than 2 seconds, or, I used to sit with my legs straight on the side. But now I sit for 5 minutes cross-legged. So that has shown Gradually things come up, but they have come up really good, touch wood.